Welcome back to the channel. A little something different today. We're at the dyno session basically. I have a friend, hopefully he makes it. Basically, he has a same GSF, and would you believe he bought it around the same time as me? It's a Japanese import GSF as well. He's done a little, I think he's done the exhaust on his car, and as you know, my car, standard. So I want to see if there's actually any benefit to the exhaust that he's done on his car. So come, let's see how it goes. Well, look at it, he made it. This is the guy that I have to beat today.
How you doing, brother? You
Hey.
good? Oh,
Craziest thing is we bought these cars almost the same time.
more or less, wasn't it?
Yeah.
More or less.
What power are you hoping for, mister?
Anything over 470.
Okay then, good.
Anything over stock.
All right then, let's see how it goes, eh?
Yeah, fingers crossed.
Yep. Here's a little backstory and video of why the meeting was a little bit special. It's like a reunion of the two GSFs. Both of them are Japanese imports that have been in the country for about a year. And I drove over 300 miles, 3 hours to come and view the car. Also, both of them were on display. My mate hadn't even bought the blue car yet, and it was just me having a look at them. I hadn't decided if I was going to buy a GSF. But when I saw the car, I said I wouldn't buy another black car, but when the sun was hitting the paintwork, it was like really enticing. So I thought, no, I'm not going to buy another one. But I ended up buying it. And yeah, it's a weird experience. Like the car is reuniting after about a year, because we meant to meet up with each other and blah blah blah, but work and lives getting in the way. So this was the first time we'd met up since we'd both bought the cars. Okay, let's get down to business. You're looking here at a dyno chart or dyno plot of what my car made around 4 months ago on this same dyno at Surrey Rolling Roads. I came back here for consistency basically of how much my car would make now. It's slightly hotter and warmer conditions against the same car which has had an upgraded back box. How it works here is you get 3 runs. There's no tuning at all. You just put your car on the dyno and he does 3 runs, and you get the one with the highest number obviously is the one you take. So let's see how it goes. Feeling the heat. So we got a bit lower than last time, 468, or I'll call it 469. Apparently I should have driven it hard to get here. Oh well, let's see what the next one does. All right, my rival.
By the way, you back mile.
I do hope I win. Oh, I'm giving up my car. This guy.
You're a bit as well, so I think yours must have been lost. We don't have to reset.
Yeah, right, okay then.
It's about the same.
Oh,
Yeah.
You're a little bit more at the top. A little bit more at the top, bottom, a little bit more at the top.
A little bit more at the top. Okay then.
So like 4 or 5 horsepower. Have you got air intakes on that?
no.
Nice.
That's at home.
So we won how much horsepower more was it again? About five more horsepower with an exhaust. So yeah. Okay, post power run analysis. My car is the red line you see on the graph, and the blue GSF is the green line you see. So as you can see, both at the bottom and at the top, the bottom he has more torque, low down torque, and more top end power at the end. So that's a pretty good upgrade, considering he said he didn't pay that much for the actual back box. So yeah, that's pretty good. The only downside of it, he said, is it drones a lot more. So I don't know, I'll have to think about that if I want to upgrade my car and that, because I quite like that it doesn't drone when you're just driving normally. So it's always good to see analysis of all this. Like, incidentally, my car made more power than this like 4 months ago. I've not changed anything. Maybe it's down to the heat, but I do think I should have taken it for an Italian tune-up before this power run. But anyway, it is what it is, and it's always good to see how the car's doing. Both of the cars are running a healthy power, and that's the main thing. Alright guys, we'll end the video here. Seen the result. Blue car won. Maybe I need an exhaust. Like and subscribe guys, more videos coming up.